Hi! I'm camera shy. Good morning!
Come follow me to luxury. Gold on the floors and all over me. Diamonds galore, I'ma ice you some more. Would it be like dealing with a queen? I just wanna make you feel, make you feel, make you feel. Big boss like $1,000 bill. Keep it real.
Welcome to my brand new channel. This is my very first video. Life with Leary. Get with it or get lost. Simple as it. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve a wash and go. It might be very simple. You might be very shocked that I only use 2 products. I used to use a whole bunch of products, but now my hair is more trained and now I can only just use 2, and they actually work pretty good, and I feel like it can work on your hair as well. Everybody's hair is different, so don't get mad if it don't work for me, but it should. Stay tuned if you want to see how I achieve my wash and goes. And I'm about to get in the shower and start washing my hair. So, yeah. This is good. It's very moisturizing and clean your hair. This is not my first choice for shampoo, but it gets the job done. Oh, it's kind of sexy. I'll put this Mega Grow stuff.
Bitch, is you blind? Like,
oh yeah, I shouldn't say that. Mega Thick Intense Repair is good for your hair. Okay, so I just got done with my shower and I put a bag over my head so the conditioner could sit for like an hour, 2 hours, maybe 3. Really until I feel like washing my hair out, that's when I take out my conditioner. I'm gonna leave it in for only 15 minutes because I'm a businesswoman and I'm on a time frame and I gotta get shit done. So, okay, I'm back. I just rinsed out my hair and now we're about to get into the nitty-gritty. I use a t-shirt to dry my hair off. This is how my hair looking after the conditioner. Real moisturized.
I got my hang time. I got my hang time.
But anyway, we're about to get to it. The 2 products that Leary uses is, okay, so I use this Originals America, I said America, it's Africa. Okay, Africa's Best. It's the cholesterol tea tree oil. It's a leave-in and you can rinse it out. It's really good and it smells amazing. So I use this, and I also use, it's kind of messed up right now, but I use the Aussie Miracle Curls Mousse. And it does really good on my hair. Like, I really like it. This water that I made, this is Wonder Water right here. Okay? Like, I'm gonna show you right here. This is from August 9th. This is from August 9th now. Today is September 14th, a little bit over a month. So you see how much black is at the top, you know, on August 19th. You see how much black is on the top August 9th. And I just got my hair done the day before. That's not even August 9th. Whatever. For my birthday, I just got my hair done, right? I just got my hair done. Now, I've been using this water. I use it for literally everything. It's all purpose. Wonder Water.
Okay.
But look at that. It's growing like that quick. And if you want your Wonder Water, contact me. Get in there, spray it on my hair a little bit. I don't want to make it too wet because I want it to actually like dry in a decent amount of time. So I'm about to get my cholesterol tea tree oil and just put it all over my head, really, like make sure it's evenly distributed on all strands of my hair. Well, I haven't been on like do y'all ever just go crazy? Cause right now I'm chilling and going crazy at the same time. Life is weird. Life is very weird. I really put a lot on, but I put a lot on because I like my hair to be moisturized. Like your hair needs to be moisturized. That's key. My hair, I don't pile up a whole bunch of like different products. I really don't. I feel like water is the most important thing to make your hair grow. So why put all that extra stuff in your hair? That's what I used to do at first. Like I used to put like just a whole bunch of nothing in my hair. And that's why my hair wasn't really like growing and my curls wasn't really like, you know, popping. But now that I've really just been focused on doing with just water and like, you know, it's been working. So I put the collection. So my camera ran out of storage. But back to regular programming. Alright, so I used the Miracle Curls mousse and it's janky. It's a little janky now because I broke it, but we about to make it work. Okay? Okay. Like I need a lot of stuff because y'all look at what I just did. Do y'all see that? I don't know why I thought being a YouTuber was gonna be a good idea. Bro. Alright, I got it to work. I just get it and I really just like put it really all over my head. I'm new to YouTube, so don't like get all on me. Cause I would definitely join you back. Now I'm gonna get the dryer and just like sit there and just try to dry my hair. So I just blow dried my hair a little bit. Now that it's halfway dry, it's like halfway dry, halfway wet. So after I do that, I just grab almond oil and I just put a little bit, not even a lot, just put a little bit just all over my head. I'm gonna use edge booster for my edges. You don't have to have edges, to be honest, because sometimes I don't even like do my edges. I really don't, but we're gonna do it today. Side part, I really like get to the nitty gritty, you know what I'm saying? But not really for like middle part, cause like you can't really see, especially if your hair is like out for real. Nobody's gonna be paying attention to your edges. Like that's how I feel. So after I really do my edges, that's when I let my hair air dry. After it's done air drying, you will get the desired look. I'll show you the completed look when my hair completely dries. I'm back. I'm up. A true baddie, okay? And you could be one too.
I walk around like that bitch. I walk around like that bitch.
You know what I'm saying? Okay, I'm back. So basically I did a little, you know, 1-2 while I was waiting for my hair to fully dry. And now it's fully dry, and just look at the definition, okay? Look at the definition, okay? I got hair, okay? But it's real defined, you see? And like I really love how fluffy it is, and it's not too heavy, and it's still soft. It doesn't have that crunchy feel. I hate when I use products to get a wash and go and my hair is crunchy. I don't like that. Like, why does it feel like that? So thank you for watching my very first YouTube video. So with that being said, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
I just wanna make you feel, make you feel, make you feel.